you want to wait a minute?
I'm doing the direct streaming to the Twitter, so.
Erstmal haben wir auch ganz viel Schmott. Da sind die leben das auch. Also die Silvester gibt
And you move with mouse this?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
vielen Leute unterstützen. Es gibt ja auch ganze, weiß nicht, Scheiß mit den Namen. Kölschen heißt es. Kölschen. Vorname. Aber jedenfalls ist es ein extrem fähiger CPU.
Fast, yes?
Yeah. And we are now on Super Aga, or?
And it's quite the chunky part
Okay.
of this Super Aga core, yes?
But everything goes through the HDMI, yeah?
Yes, this is connected.
HDMI, sorry.
I show it to you. Looks like this.
And InDivision is working as well with this? Because I heard that it will be not working.
It works. No problem. I got a dual setup and it's even working with two screens. If I put a second screen, you got. But now it's disconnected. I'm only using the HDMI. Yes.
Yes, very nice. It takes not so much place.
Yes, it's running cool. You don't need this heat sink, actually, but I put one on it. It's a little bit warm, like.
Okay, so this is like this, and you have the SD card, but it's not working now, yeah, I think. So you can replace your hard disk with this SD theoretically, yeah?
Yes, that's the goal. At the moment, they are just writing the drivers for the SD card. Yeah? Work has started, and actually the first versions already run.
Okay.
Yes?
Very nice. And this is through the Picasso now, the workbench.
No, it hasn't. Yeah, the Picasso 16,
96.
Yes. Now I have to switch to the native Amiga resolution because sysinfo doesn't support graphics cards. I do it like this, and I can show you a speed test. Yes. That's impressive. If you have 060, yes, running at like 64 megahertz, you got 50 MIPS.
I can check it. But
49, I think.
Okay.
You can check it. The guy behind us, he got an 4000 with a Cyberstorm, running at 64, and he got 50 MIPS.
I think 2000 was 60 megahertz, so.
Must be similar, yes?
Not similar, but this is more than 50. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, but it's nice. It's small computer. Yeah?
Now we can check the CF card. It's on the original IDE port, no?
But it's faster than normal.
Like 3 MB. Yes.
Normally it's not possible to achieve this.
Yes. So it's okay, yes?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Remember you got the 2 MB. And if you sit in front and you move the open drawers, look how fast it is, yes? It's really fast. display window.
Free-Desktop portierter.
Okay, that's not the right one. No, the problem is not window, the problem is the resolution. The screen mode. I'm using a wrong screen mode at the moment. No, it was the right one. Are you streaming now?
Yeah.
Could you
Cut it? Okay.
first?